Mastering idiomatic expressions. Old hat at something. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're unraveling the meaning and usage of a very interesting idiomatic expression. Old hat at something. Whether you're a language enthusiast or a dedicated learner, understanding idioms like this one can significantly enhance your fluency and make your conversations more colorful. So, let's get started. The phrase, old hat at something, is a colloquial expression used to describe a person who is very experienced or familiar with a particular task, activity, or field. When we say someone is an old hat at something, we mean that they have been doing it for a long time and therefore, are skilled or knowledgeable about it. The term, old hat, itself suggests something that is not new or fresh, highlighting the aspect of familiarity and experience. The origins of the phrase, old hat, are quite interesting. It dates back to a time when wearing a hat was much more common in daily life. Over time, an old hat would come to symbolize something that was familiar, routine, or no longer exciting because it had been seen or used frequently. By extension, calling someone an old hat at something connects the notion of being accustomed to or experienced in a particular area. To help you better understand how to use old hat at something, let's look at some examples. My grandmother is an old hat at baking. Her pies are always delicious. Don't worry about setting up the computer. I'm an old hat at it. He's an old hat at negotiating deals. He knows exactly what to say. These examples illustrate the versatility of the expression, showing that it can be applied to a wide range of activities and skills, from cooking to technology to business. When using the phrase, old hat at something, it's important to remember. It's typically used in informal contexts, so it's perfect for casual conversations but might not be suitable for very formal settings. This idiom emphasizes a person's competence and experience, making it a great way to complement someone's skills or knowledge. Be creative. Try using it in different contexts to describe various types of expertise and familiarity. Thank you for joining us as we explored the meaning and use of old hat at something. Idiomatic expressions like this one are what make learning English so rewarding and fun. We hope this video has not only added a new phrase to your vocabulary but also inspired you to embrace the rich, idiomatic landscape of the English language. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.